Introducing the PowerOne Kit by SnapWireless, the all-in-one charging kit that's perfect for fast charging all your devices anywhere around the world. The PowerOne Kit is available in midnight black or crisp white. Today, let's walk you through the crisp white kit. The PowerOne Kit is made up of 4 key components. Let's run through each of them. First up, the pouch. This isn't just any pouch. It's crafted from high-quality, water-repellent materials and features AquaGuard zippers to protect your tech. Next, we have the PowerOne charger. This is the first charger in our SnapFast range that features gallium nitride technology, also known as GaN. This means you'll get incredibly fast charging with minimal heat, ensuring your devices are safe. The PowerOne charger boasts a whopping 100-watt power output and comes equipped with 4 charging ports, 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A. Whether you're charging multiple devices at once or getting your MacBook Pro 16-inch to 100% in just 90 minutes, this charger delivers. Following that, we've included 3 international adapters to ensure you're powered up in over 150 countries. These adapters fit snugly in their dedicated pockets inside the pouch. The PowerOne charger features a built-in US plug as standard. To use, simply flick it out. For other regions, retract the US plug and slide in the adapter of your choice. It's that simple. Lastly, we've added 2 unique USB charging cables. The first is a 1.5 meter 100-watt USB-C cable, specifically designed for laptops. We've also included a 2-in-1 USB-C and Lightning cable for extra convenience wherever you go, allowing you to charge both Apple or Android devices simply by changing the adapter piece. And there you have it, our new PowerOne Kit. A unique and thoughtfully crafted all-in-one kit that includes all the essentials to keep your devices charged anywhere in the world. We can't wait to see where you'll take it.